And once the screen lights up and the setup code appears, your Aura frame should be working again. In most cases, power-related issues or minor hardware glitches are the reason an Aura frame won't turn on, and these steps usually bring it back to life. If the frame still doesn't power on after trying everything, the final option is to claim warranty support. Reach out to Aura Frame's customer care through their official support email or phone number. Share the serial number and clearly explain the issue so they can speed up the warranty process. If your claim is approved, you may receive a replacement frame. Before contacting support, try performing a hardware reset. Locate the reset pinhole on the back or bottom of the frame, which may require removing the stand on some models. Use a paperclip to press and hold the reset button for about 10 to 15 seconds until the screen goes dark and a factory reset message appears. After the reset, the frame should restart and display a pairing code. Also, make sure the frame is not connected through an extension cord. Disconnect any extension cables and plug the Aura frame directly into a wall outlet to ensure it's receiving proper power without interference. Next, inspect the power cable carefully. Look for fraying, cuts, or visible damage. If the cable looks damaged, replace it or take it to a service center. Avoid trying to repair the cable yourself, as this could cause further damage. You should also verify the power source. Try plugging the frame into a different wall outlet to rule out socket issues. If needed, use a multimeter to confirm the outlet is providing the correct voltage. If the outlet is faulty, contact a certified electrician. Start by reconnecting the power cable. Unplug the cable from the back of the frame and remove the adapter from the wall. Wait a few seconds, then reconnect everything and try a different wall outlet to rule out power issues. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we explained how to fix an Aura frame that's not turning on or not working properly. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech fixes. Thanks for watching.